we're gonna go ahead and get warmed up. So I'm gonna start my timer. And just give me a nice march. I'm gonna come right in front of you so you can see me because I don't need the BOSU right away. So we can get going. Give me a step touch to the side. There you go. All of my workouts have a warm up, a workout, and a cool down. Why? Because it's important. You can't just start out of the gate and get your workout on. You gotta warm up. Give me a reach across, across. There you go. Twisting a little bit with the leg so we get the low back warmed up. Give me one more. Reach it up, up. There you go. My head may get cut off, or my arms, but that's all right. And reach. Last one, give me some knees up. Just getting those warm because, oh boy, we got some squats, we got some reverse lunges, but don't worry, I'm always gonna give you that modification. Per usual. I'll even link up some awesome tunes and kicks because we gotta warm those up. The knees. Boy, it's a rainy day here in Denver. Kind of a little gloomy at the office, so I'm like, you know, I'm gonna do some cardio and give you guys a treat. Curls. Give me 3, 2, 1, and march it out. All right, cat and cow. Come on down. Dip the back. Round your spine. Now you don't have to be on the BOSU. You can do it on the floor. Last one. Give me a rock back, forward, butt back, forward. Hold it here, walk it back. Give me the right knee forward, lunge it forward and back. Just warming it up. Always have one hand on that knee. And add the arms forward, hold. Right arm on the knee, left arm up to the sky. Stretch it and reach and stretch. One more and hold. Left side, forward and back. And right arm, stretch, like you're gonna reach for something. Hold. All right.